Matapos parangalan bilang Coach of the Year sa 31st PBA Press Corps Awards Night, inalala ni Chot Reyes ang pinakamabigat na yugto ng kanyang karera bilang coach. Narito ang report ni teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Naging emosyonal ang TNT tropang 5G head coach Chot Reyes nang balikan ang isa sa mga pinakamahirap na pangyayari sa kanyang mahabang karera sa basketball. Sa kanyang talumpati sa 31st PBA Press Corps Awards Night na ginanap sa Novotel, Manila, binalikan ni Reyes ang panahon nang siya ay mabu ng mga fans sa 2023 FIBA World Cup game ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra China sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Aminado ang batikang coach na iyon ang pinakamababang punto ng kanyang propesyon at buntik na siyang magdesisyong magretiro sa pagko-coach. Pero kahit nasaktan sa mga batikos, mas nasaktan umano siya nang makita ang reaksyon ng kanyang pamilya noong gabi na iyon.
After the players were introduced, the coach was introduced, and I was roundly booed by my own home crowd. Deepest, darkest moment in my professional career. Never mind me, I guess I'm used to it, but when I look behind me to where my family was seated, my wife and my daughter, they were in near tears. I thought at the time that I had enough of coaching, that I didn't deserve everything that had happened so far.
Matapos bitawan ng Gilas Pilipinas, muling bumalik si Reyes sa PBA upang pamunuan ng TNT at muling nagtagumpay ng makuha ang 2 kampyonato at 3 finals appearances sa loob ng isang season. Ang tagumpay na ito ang naghatid sa kanya ng record-extending ika-7 Coach of the Year Award, ang pinakamarami sa kasaysayan ng PBA Press Corps. Para kay Reyes, ang bagong parangal na ito ay isang patunay ng pagbangon at pananatiling matibay sa kabila ng mga hamon.
It's not about me, but it's about we. Because what the Coach of the Year award represents is not individual success, but really team success. I wouldn't be standing here if our team didn't do well. Success is never final, failure is never fatal. And I learned that at that fateful night in 2023 when I thought I was done coaching. Finally, I always tell my players, putting in the effort, doing extra sprints, running extra laps, being dedicated, being disciplined is hard. But so is losing. Being unprepared, failing, that's hard as well.
Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.